Morning folks, Sunday means one thing, magnet fishing. I'm Chris, Netherton Magnet Fishing UK. Out today in Birmingham. Second time I've ever been to Birmingham. This is Small Heath. Meeting up with Nicola, Dudley Dippers and Dippers and Scrappers, Rob. And I think the Johnsons Adventures are coming over. So looking forward to seeing them again. So as I said, over here at Small Heath. As you can see, pretty. So call back in a bit if somebody turns up. First one, the lid off a game of chess. Anybody fancy a game? Got my first find. It's a tobacco tin, but got some goodies in there. It's trying to open it up one-handed. Oh well, not working. There you go. Tin of nuts. Never mind. Let's fish on. Back again. At first glance I thought it was a magazine off a rifle, but it's not. I don't know what it's off really. I don't know. Never mind, let's fish on. Next find, scaffolding. Hope it's going to be one of them days again. Scaffold clip. Next find, the remains of a shovel. Let's fish on. Next find, somebody's car key. Let's fish on. Next find, an handbag. Nothing in it though. Got it with a grappling hook. Plus I got not just one mystery bag, but two of them. Cut them open later on. Leave them on there for a bit. Cut them open later. Let's fish on. Just been joined by Nicola, Dudley Dippers. Please like and subscribe. And Rob's here as well, Dippers and Scrappers. Here he is, come walking back up. So we'll call back in a bit. Just been joined by Rob, Dippers and Scrappers.
How are you?
Fantastic site. Check it out.
Cheers. New site as well. Dippers identified.
Brilliant. Check it out.
Cheers, Buster.
Back again. Just been joined by Johnson's Adventures. Here's Paul, Johnson's Adventures.
Nice.
Please like and subscribe. Let's fish on. Next find, set of keys. Back again. An old boat hook. That's wood. That's cast. You can see where it's broke off the hook there. But that's been down there some years. And the next find, the old boat, I think over off a gate or something, the hinge part. Let's fish on. Back again, next find. 3 padlocks joined together. Bit of bling. And I think it's some sort of a locket. So I'm going to take that out, clean it up and see if I can open it up. And just go back to these mystery bags. I'm not going to open them. I think it's an offering. So I'm going to put them back in. So let's fish on. Next find, an old padlock. That's it. End of another day. So I'll catch you all next Sunday. So from Johnson's Adventures, brilliant day. Dudley Dippers, please like and subscribe. And here's Rob, Dippers and Scrappers. What they gonna do, Rob? Take their scrap away. So till next time folks, stay safe. Bye.